Good afternoon. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures. Their guest host is Denise Glam Style Living and Jubilee. Their special artist is Art with Connie. Come along with me as I show you my tablescape. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday, and today we are again celebrating Anna's birthday. The colors were blue and yellow, so come along with me as I show you my tablescape for Anna's birthday. Happy birthday, Anna. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now let me tell you a little bit about my tablescape here. The centerpiece, I have taken just a vine from Joanne Fabrics, and I've added blue and yellow flowers through it. The flowers were from the Dollar Tree. I have added 2 candle holders, which were from Home Goods, and the little cake here, that clout was from Home Goods also. My tablecloth was from the Dollar Tree, and the little gift here were also from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful blue glasses that I placed the ice and little flowers in were from Goodwill. The napkins were from the Dollar Tree. The napkin holder was from Home Goods. So now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and break down the place setting for you. The silverware was from Tuesday Mornings. The placemats were from the Dollar Tree. The charger plate was from Goodwill. The dinner plate was also from Goodwill. The little salad plate here was from the Dollar Tree. And the beautiful bowl here was from Goodwill. And what I've done is went ahead and placed the blue flower in the center. So that is my place setting. As you can see, it is very budget friendly. The pillows that are on the floor are pillow covers from Amazon. This is the birthday tablescape for your birthday, Anna. I hope you enjoy your day. I want to thank Anna and Courtney for hosting Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving their information and also their guest information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out all their channels and the playlists. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.